Hello and welcome to this episode of Traverse City Guide. Today we're giving you a full walking tour of the Great Wolf Lodge in Traverse City. This was the third location to open up for the chain back in 2003, and this entire resort has plenty to offer for the entire family. So if you planning on visit Traverse City and go to the Great Wolf Lodge, this guy will be extremely helpful to help you plan your trip. All right, we are approaching the entrance to the Great Wolf Lodge. I do have a special guest today. I have Natalie. She is going to be coming in with us for this tour, and I'm going to try to give you a tour that's not edited a lot. I want you to see everything as I see it, and we're gonna just explore. So let's head into the Great Wolf Lodge. And as we come across different activities throughout this video, I'm gonna be showing you the current pricing to the right. So stay tuned. Lobby. Look at that. The Great Wolf Lodge does have story time daily at this area. Yeah. All right, let's continue our tour. Fresh Woods Market. All right. This is the Buckhorn Exchange. Let's check out some merchandise. Oh, glitter is in. There's some glittery font. Leggings, sweatpants. All right, coffee mugs for everyone. What do you guys think? $3? Is that a good price for a pop? Probably for a resort, it's pretty cheap. Candy, $7. Candy by the pound. Bubble wands. They even have a mining. And t-shirts. All right, should we move on? Mm-hmm. Like friendship bracelets. And more bubble wands. It does look like Dunkin Donuts is here, but it is closed. Huh. But for the main event, the water park. Pretty large. Now they do sell day passes for Traverse City residents or anyone who just wants to visit the water park. A half day is $30 per person and a full day is $40 per person. And if your child is under 2, they get in for free. And this entire indoor water park is over 38,000 square feet, and they keep the air at 84 degrees year-round. Now, since we aren't staying here, I cannot go in there, and plus I try not to film families enjoying their time, but I wanted to give you a sneak peek of the entire complex. They do have a few large slides in back, a few water slides that are for body slides, and then a few raft slides that go outside as well. We took you here on your 5th birthday, didn't we? What do you see, Nat?
That's the bucket.
Oh, bucket's gonna fall. Here we go. Here it goes. That looks fun. And off to the other side of the building is the Camp Critter Bar and Grill. Let's head upstairs and see what else there is to explore.
Well, this is an easy room to acquire if you can prove yourself. You must not see them.
Now they do have a resort-wide Magic Quest that you can have your children participate in as well. And then down the halls they have little areas that you can actually wave your wands and... Yeah, interesting. And this is the store we were just in. And then down there are some guest rooms. Again, this is the Magic Quest room, where you can buy your wand. It almost looks like they have different wings with different neighborhoods almost. Now we're going to go down and check out the lower level. All right, so we made it to the lower level, and I hear bowling. 10 Paw Alley. Let's check this out. All right, they have like mini bowling. How cool. All right, let's head down here. Check out their arcade. Fitness center. They have a Build-A-Bear workshop. It's pretty busy in there. And they have the arcade. Let's do a quick walk through. Rather large, that's for sure. Again, this is on the lower level. Well, this claw machine isn't working. It's like a curved air hockey. It's neat. Give her a spin. All right, again, on the lower level is the water park entrance. Ready? One way to save money at the Great Wolf Lodge with all these activities is get their Wolf Pass, which starts at $70 per package and includes all of these awesome activities. Hey, have you hit that subscribe button yet? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next Traverse City guide. If this info is helpful or resourceful, we really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. It goes a long way for the channel. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Traverse City Guide. We hope that this guide was helpful, and we hope to see you next time on the channel. Thanks for watching.